Hello everyone, so today I am with a new video of history, and today I am going to tell you about the important topics of the chapter United Nations. So yeah, let's start the video without any further ado. As usual, you have to read this paragraph. This comprises of very important questions of MCQs, 2 marks question, okay? And then the origin of the UN is important. You just read this because basically आपका MCQ वाला part में आएगा या short answer type questions में आएगा. Then the objectives of the United Nations is very important. मतलब ये बहुत ज़्यादा important है, ये तो पक्का आएगा. You can just see the occurrence of it in the board examination. And then headquarters, you should know the flag. Just read them for MCQ part, official language for MCQ part, okay? And see the symbol also of the UN. Then you should know about the membership. This is also for the MCQs. And then the organs of the United Nations, you should know them, it is important. Then the General Assembly, this is very important. Like this paragraph of General Assembly, you can just read it. Then the composition is very important. Then powers and functions of the General Assembly is very important. You can just see it, see its occurrence in the board examination. And if you write this first point, then you will, this first point is actually very good, and my teacher marked it as a bonus point. So please write this first point because it's good. This point actually, it's a helpful point, I guess. That's why only my ma'am made it mark to first. And the 9 points are given here, so you must learn any 5 points, okay, in case you forgot any one of them, okay. Then the Security Council, same, the composition is very important. Then the veto power is very important. Then the functions and powers of the Security Council is very important. And International Court of Justice, this you can read for your MCQs, and this is very important, okay. And yes, one question also comes that the International Court of Justice has a dual role explained, so this is the paragraph for the answer. And then this मतलब ये composition का ही part है. Powers and functions of the ICJ, International Court of Justice, this you can learn. वैसे मुझको ये बहुत important नहीं लग रहा है because सिर्फ एक ही बार आया ये boards में, but then too also इसको आप learn कर लेना, ठीक है, okay. And then this also you should know about the first person and the last 3 person. तो इनका आपको remember करो कि first कौन थे और last 3 कौन थे, secretary generals. फिर बाकी ये पेज आपका बिल्कुल इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, इसको यू कैन जस्ट लीव इट आउट. सो या दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप दिस वीडियो हेल्प्ड यू अ लॉट, एंड ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.